Welcome back to the summary of The Richest Man in Babylon. We're on Chapter 4, Meet the Goddess of Good Luck. So what's the story summary of this chapter? Arkad meets again with a group of Babylonians in an open forum. An attendee suggests a discussion be had on the topic of good luck. The questioner relates his experience of having found a purse earlier that day with gold therein. He asks how we might attract or obtain increased quantities of such luck. The group proceeds to have a discussion, wherein multiple people share their experiences and viewpoints. On a whole, the group agrees that none of them know of anyone who made their fortune from the gaming tables or similar gambling endeavors. This leads Arkad to have a brief discussion on odds and the importance of engaging in opportunities that have the best odds. Arkad suggests that good luck is not found at the gaming tables, and the question is raised, if not at the gaming tables, then where is she found? An elderly attendee suggests a discussion be had about missed opportunities and how these opportunities relate to good luck. 3 stories are told by different people in the room: an elderly merchant, a herdsman, and an animal merchant. All of them share their tales of how valuable financial opportunities were presented but not capitalized on. The cumulative examination of these tales leads the group to agree that the bane of good luck is procrastination. Another gentleman of the crowd then suggests that it is important to not second-guess yourself, but to give careful heed to your first judgments, your gut feelings, as it were. The conversation concludes on the points that the goddess of good luck, Ashtar in the Babylonian world, favors men of action. That is to say, people who take opportunity when it is presented to them. So what are the key financial principles evident in this chapter? Financial success is not found through games of chance. Engage your time and money and opportunities with odds that are significantly in your favor. Luck awaits people of action, those who take wise financial opportunities when they are presented. Do not hesitate or procrastinate to act in wise financial opportunities. Financial opportunities often arise when we least expect them. It is wise to be financially independent so as to allow us the freedom to act on these opportunities when they present themselves. Do not forestall decisions by second-guessing or fear. Often our initial judgment is best. If you do not have the funds to invest heavily into single opportunities, mutual funds are a good option. So how do we take some of these key financial principles and apply them into our lives? Do not waste money on games of chance, such as the lottery or casinos or etc. Employment and investments have exceptionally better odds at making a person money than gambling. For example, index funds average a 10% rate of return, whereas the rate of return on a slot machine averages -5%. Why engage your time with things that have bad odds? Be prepared to jump on opportunities to make increased money as they arise, such as taking additional shifts, attending promotional interviews, applying for new job opportunities, investing additional disposable income into wise investments, etc. Be willing to follow your instinct and act on initial impressions. Do not act blindly, but do not second-guess yourself out of an idea just because you're not sure. There is always risk involved, no matter what you do. Do not procrastinate action. You know you're going to be old, so start saving for the future now. You know you're going to die, so get a life insurance policy set up. You know your child is going to go to college, so start investing in an ESA now, etc. Building off of the points from the previous chapter, go to school and/or gain additional skills and qualifications to place yourself in the optimal situations wherein new opportunities arise. That concludes our summary of Chapter 4 of The Richest Man in Babylon, Meet the Goddess of Good Luck. You can move on to the Chapter 4 discussion, or you can move on to Chapter 5 summarized. Thanks for watching.